I'm gonna show you a little trick that might help you when you're doing organizing folders or something. Just say I got this folder. All of this stuff is inside the folder, but this report right here, I have to turn it in daily. So I have to turn my inspection papers in daily. In this folder is whenever we start welding or striking art. So to remind me that this is very important right here, this folder that I have to do it daily, what you can do, you can right click and go down to properties. And once you go down to properties, just go down here and change the folder icon. And I'm gonna just change it to something like this right here. I'm gonna click on it, hit OK, and hit apply. So as you can see, this folder, it looks differently than any of these other folders. So I know, hey, this is very important. I need to do this report every day. Every day I need to do that report. And if you want to change it back, you can just right click and go to properties and go to customize and just hit restore default. So you can hit restore. Well, that didn't do it, but just put change and you can change it back to this right here and hit apply. And that's it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and thank you and have a great day.